Hey, it's Samantha with A Wealthy Hairstylist, and today I'm going to show you how I gave my client this gorgeous blowout. All thanks to roller sets. Yes, Velcro roller sets have my heart, you guys. This is the easiest, quickest way to add volume to your hair. I feel like it's taken me back to my junior high days where I used to have the velvet heated Conair roller set. But the best way to go about doing this is to obviously start sectioning off your hair. I usually do 2 large rollers on each side and then 2 to 3 on the top. The key is to get your section of hair like dry, very, very warm and smoothed out. And the key is to over direct. So when I say over direct your hair, wherever you are placing your roller, you need to extend that direction forward and then roll the roller back so that way when it sits on the head, it is on base. So that way the hair is going straight up. Versus if you were to take the roller and pull your hair straight up and roll it down, it's going to actually pull that section back, so it's going to be off base. So remember, direct everything forward. So blow dry, blow dry, blow dry. You want to make sure the section is completely dry, nice and warm, and then place your roller by overextending it forward so that way when you roll the roller back, it lands on base and the hair is sticking straight out from the scalp. And then once it's cooled to the touch and it's sat for, 3 to 5 minutes with a little coat of hairspray, I then pull everything out and fluff up the hair. And look how beautiful. It gives her the body, all of her layers are accentuated, and it's bouncy, it's beautiful. And this is my signature blowout to give my clients that lovely bounce, that beautiful curl style. And thank you to roller sets. And here is her beautiful after. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for all your behind the scenes hair and beauty business tips. I'll see you soon.